Hey, this is Heidi Fisher, and this is my kidney video. Just to take a look on the outside of the kidney, this is the ureter here. It's a very long tube. And I have pulled up a bit of the renal capsule, which is a transparent membrane that surrounds the kidney. You can see that right here. I'm pulling some of it up. Maybe I can pull it up with this a little bit. It's a pretty strong membrane on the outside of the kidney. Taking a look here, you can barely see that, but the renal artery and the renal vein right here, this is the renal vein and the renal artery underneath. This is the hilum here with the fat where the kidney indents a little bit. This is where the ureter exits the kidney. I am going to make a longitudinal cut right down the middle of the kidney to get a front and a left side. There we go. You can see the renal capsule here. Taking a look at the kidney on the inside. Remove this. The superficial area here is the cortex. It's a little bit lighter in color. It's a little bit yellow. Here inside we have the medulla, or the medullary region. The triangles right here, these are renal pyramids, and the points point towards the medulla, and the top portion faces the cortex. In between are renal columns. Let's see if we can see better here. These are renal columns. You can see a little bit better there. In between, they surround the renal pyramids. Right here. The renal pelvis, you can't see it very well, but it is right in this area here. The renal pelvis is in there. And then you have the calyxes, the minor and the major calyxes. You can't really see. Let's make another cut. See if I can get a better picture. And that's a little bit better. The minor and the major calyxes are in here. Now in the cortex, there are small glomeruluses, I know I didn't pronounce that right, coming from the renal artery in the hilus, and they go out into the cortex. And I don't really see the specks, but they do go from the renal artery out into the cortex. They should be red specks. Okay. And that is about all that I need to know about the kidney. Thanks.